Morning. It's Friday, and had a sleep in. It's 10:14, and I got a little lunch with Mum today, because I think our partner's here and stuff like that. I can't actually see myself, so I don't have my head's cut off on it. I gotta be here, because here, you can't see me. This is what I got, and my grandma just said that's the barbovka, the little Czech sweet treat. Cut the sucker off. Look at that bad boy. Oh my god. That is goddamn yummy. But yeah, it's a bit of a rainy day today. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna try. No, it's just overblown the fuck. Okay, that's fine. But yeah, I think it rained most of last night, and my nostrils are feeling pretty good today. So good. For a second bite. I don't even know what the macros on this side. It's all sugar and carbs, but I'm going down to South Bohemia probably later today. It'll be a cool drive. I'll take you with me. Another place that you can explore through my videos, I guess. A little town, and it's basically where I spent all my summers as a kid. Sometimes just weekends, you know, if I was with Mum, I was with Dad, and like even as a tiny kid in kindergarten, like Mum would put me in kindergarten, and Dad would just go away, go fishing, go canoeing, stuff like that. So, my brother's calling me. Well, that was my brother. We're going to this place for like early lunch at like 11. And if you get there before 11, they got like a really cool breakfast menu still. Probably shouldn't be having a second one, but you know, I'm a fat cunt, unfortunately. But it's alright. I'll work it off eventually. But yeah, they got like a much nicer breakfast menu. Much nicer breakfast. Fucking hell, something's in me throat. Ugh. That's fantastic. Yeah, so kind of gonna try and send my brother there before 11, or meet him there before 11, which is gonna be a bit tight, but I think I can do it. Send him there, and so he can order me something from the breakfast menu and not the lunch menu. So I'm gonna quickly check what is on the menu. Alright, I'm gonna have a three egg omelette. Hello, bracha, dám si ty 3-egg omelette. I'm really trying not to make a mess in this apartment because I'm just here temporarily. And the less cleaning I have to do, the better. Alright, let's get going. I'm gonna go put some clothes on. I'm not gonna record it for you guys. I don't do that kind of videos. Ew. Well, hey, alright. That's the rig. I got my jump starter with me, because she ain't starting. Let's see if I can unlock it. Well, hey, it's still got a bit of charge. Bit of charge left in the old duster. Alright, thank God it's hot in here. Moment of truth. Let's check in neutral. Let's crack the window a little bit at least. Will it fire, or will I need to jump it? Nope. Nope. Nothing. Fucking nothing. Let's get the jump starter out. I need 2 hands for this. I got one. God, it's hot in here. A little warm in this car now for some reason. Some Chinese ass jump starter, but it does the job. Alright. Battery on this is dead, as usual. So, let's leg one. Sometimes that position doesn't work, so you gotta sometimes do the top. Turn that thing on. Alright, I'll come. The Duster, the mighty Duster is alive. I'm gonna drive back to my apartment now and go from there. Ooh, I might do a cheeky time lapse. That could be cool. I don't know how I'm gonna attach this, but that could be kind of cool. I got an idea. You guys got a time lapse. Oh, hey. And again, now that I've picked up all my clothes at home, I can turn the car off of this thing. It can get out of charge. So I'm gonna start it again with the jump starter. Luckily I have the jump starter, but like, oh, that's just, it's not annoying, it's just, yes, it is annoying actually. Should be seamless and it's not. So, traffic is a worldwide thing. There's mad traffic right here. Like, some construction area, and it's just, I had a cop car fly by. I had like fire units fly by as well, so it's looking like a decent hit or something. I don't know how someone can really crash it outside of falling asleep and going like into the other side of the road and get hit from incoming traffic, but hope that didn't happen because that would be fucking tragic. But yeah, managed to get out of Prague, which is also a mission. But yeah, navigation is saying I've got 45 minutes left, but I can also see myself be 45 minutes in this traffic because they gotta, like, if something happened there, it's quite a large impact. They gotta clear the debris, the cars, you know, help the people and stuff. So I don't know. I'll keep you posted. I'm free! We are driving and only 25 minutes away now. Let's go. Actually, that town right there, down here, the bridge we're going under now, down that bridge, I had a girlfriend there. And now we are arriving in the village where my blood and my last name has been for over 700 years, which I think is pretty fucking cool, and probably why no one in Australia understood why I'm proud of who I am. And this is me on the right here.